In this video, let me show you on how to fix people can't join my hotspot on your iPhone. Let's begin. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Open the Personal Hotspot option from the Settings page. In here, make sure that the button beside the Allow Others to Join is turned on or it is in color green. Now, if it is turned on, then toggle it off. Then wait for a few seconds. Turn it back on. Now make sure the other people are trying to connect the correct password for your hotspot. You can try to change the password and then let them enter it again and see if they can join your hotspot. Next, go over to the Maximize Compatibility option and then try to turn it on to allow 2.4 GHz devices to connect to your hotspot. As if this button is turned off, it will only allow devices with 5 GHz to join your hotspot. Now check if they can join your hotspot, but if not, then try to restart your iPhone, turn it on again. By doing all this method, it should now be able to fix your issue.